To pay your Discover card with a credit card, you will need to use a third-party payment service or a balance transfer. Discover does not directly accept credit card payments for their own cards. First, consider using a payment service like Plastiq or Paytrust. These platforms allow you to make payments using your credit card, but be aware that they often charge a fee, typically a percentage of the payment amount. Another option is to perform a balance transfer, where you transfer your Discover card balance to a new credit card that offers a 0% introductory APR. This can be a good option if you have a new credit card with a promotional APR. But be sure to check the balance transfer fee, which is usually a percentage of the transferred amount. To use a payment service, start by creating an account on their website. Then link your Discover card and the credit card you want to use for payment. Enter the payment amount and confirm the transaction. The payment service will then charge your credit card and pay your Discover card. When making a balance transfer, apply for a new credit card with a 0% introductory APR. Then request a balance transfer from your Discover card to the new card. Be sure to check the balance transfer fee and the introductory APR period, as these can impact your overall cost. It is essential to note that making a credit card payment with another credit card can lead to a cycle of debt if not managed properly. Make sure you have a plan to pay off the new credit card balance before the introductory APR period ends. In summary, to pay your Discover card with a credit card, use a payment service or perform a balance transfer. But be aware of the associated fees and potential risks. Always review the terms and conditions before making a payment or transferring a balance. And have a plan to pay off your debt to avoid accumulating more interest.